The iPhone 16 Plus is part of Apple's latest lineup, offering a large display, advanced hardware, and refined software, making it ideal for users who want a balance of premium features and affordability compared to the Pro models. Here's a detailed review based on the expected features of the iPhone 16 Plus. The iPhone 16 Plus maintains Apple's sleek and premium design with flat edges, a glass back, and an aluminum frame. It's available in a variety of colors, continuing the trend of vibrant and pastel options that Apple fans love. It boasts a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, providing rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. The large display size is perfect for media consumption, gaming, and multitasking. Powered by Apple's A18 Bionic chip, the iPhone 16 Plus ensures blazing fast performance, efficient power management, and smooth multitasking. This chip enhances gaming, app performance, and future-proofs the device for upcoming software updates. The device is available with 6 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 128 GB, up to 512 GB. This provides enough flexibility for users who need storage for apps, photos, and videos. The iPhone 16 Plus comes with a 48MP primary sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. While it doesn't have the telephoto lens seen in the Pro models, the iPhone 16 Plus still offers improved optical zoom capabilities with great results. The front-facing camera will likely maintain the 12MP TrueDepth system, delivering sharp and detailed selfies with improved color accuracy and lighting. The iPhone 16 Plus is equipped with a larger battery than the standard model, providing all-day battery life. Expect up to 20 to 24 hours of video playback or extensive browsing, which is ideal for heavy users. The device supports fast charging, up to 20W, and MagSafe for wireless charging. You can expect 50% charge in around 30 minutes using a fast charger. Running iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Plus offers enhanced widgets, new customization options, and improved performance with enhanced privacy and security features. The device includes Face ID for secure and fast authentication. Apple's commitment to privacy remains a core feature, with data encryption and improved controls for app permissions. Pros: large, vibrant 6.7-inch display, powerful A18 Bionic chip, excellent camera performance with a 48MP sensor, long battery life with fast charging, dynamic island feature, USB-C for faster charging and data transfer. Cons: lacks the telephoto lens found in the Pro models. No promotion display, 120Hz refresh rate, limited to 60Hz, higher price point than previous Plus models. No always-on display feature. Conclusion: the iPhone 16 Plus is an excellent choice for those who want a larger display and a powerful performance without needing all the features of the Pro models. With the A17 chip, improved camera system, and dynamic island, it offers a premium experience in a slightly more affordable package. While it may not have some of the bells and whistles of the Pro models, it's still a fantastic device for most users, especially those who prioritize display size, battery life, and core performance over extra camera features.